Save classifier to disk in scikit-learn. How do I save a trained naive Bayes classifier to disk and use it to predict data? I have the following sample program from the scikit-learn website.
Classifiers are just objects that can be pickled and dumped like any other. To continue your example, edit. If you are using a scikit-learn pipeline in which you have custom transformers that cannot be serialized by pickle, nor by joblib, then using Nuraxl's custom ML pipeline saving is a solution where you can define your own custom step savers on a per-step basis. The savers are called for each step if defined upon saving, and otherwise joblib is used as default for steps without a saver.
You can also use joblib.dump and joblib.load, which is much more efficient at handling numerical arrays than the default Python pickler. Joblib is included in scikit-learn. Edit. In Python 3.8+, it's now possible to use pickle for efficient pickling of objects with large numerical arrays as attributes if you use Pickle Protocol 5, which is not the default.
What you are looking for is called model persistence in scikit-learn words, and it is documented in introduction and in model persistence sections. So you have initialized your classifier and trained it for a long time with. After this you have two options. 1. Using pickle. 2. Using joblib. One more time, it is helpful to read the above-mentioned links.
In many cases, particularly with text classification, it is not enough just to store the classifier, but you'll need to store the vectorizer as well so that you can vectorize your input in future. Future use case. Before dumping the vectorizer, one can delete the stop_words_ property of vectorizer by to make dumping more efficient. Also, if your classifier parameters is sparse, as in most text classification examples, you can convert the parameters from dense to sparse, which will make a huge difference in terms of memory consumption, loading and dumping. Sparsify the model by which will automatically work for classifier, but in case you know your model is sparse, lots of zeros in clf.cof_, then you can manually convert clf.cof_ into a CSR scipy sparse matrix by. And then you can store it more efficiently.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribe link.